What are sexually transmitted diseases? Hello, it's Michael here from 2RNs with an important video. To see more, like our channel. STDs are a group of infections that are primarily transmitted through sexual contact. These infections are caused by bacteria, viruses, and parasites that can infect the genitals, mouth, and anus. STDs are common, and anyone who is sexually active can contract them. However, the symptoms of STDs can vary widely. Many people who are infected with an STD may not experience any symptoms at all. This can make it difficult to know when to seek medical attention. It can also increase the risk of spreading the infection to others. One of the most common STDs is chlamydia, which is caused by the bacteria Chlamydia trachomatis. Chlamydia is a bacterial infection that affects both men and women. It is usually spread through vaginal, anal, or oral sex with an infected partner. The symptoms of chlamydia may include a discharge from the penis or vagina, pain or discomfort during urination, and pain during sex. However, many people with chlamydia do not experience any symptoms at all. This can make it difficult to know when to seek medical attention. If left untreated, chlamydia can lead to serious health complications, including infertility, chronic pain, and even death. Another common STD is gonorrhea, which is caused by the bacteria Neisseria gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a bacterial infection that affects both men and women. It is usually spread through vaginal, anal, or oral sex with an infected partner. The symptoms of gonorrhea may include a discharge from the penis or vagina, pain or discomfort during urination, and pain during sex. In some cases, gonorrhea can also cause a sore throat, anal itching, and conjunctivitis, pink eye. If left untreated, gonorrhea can lead to serious health complications, including infertility, chronic pain, and even death. Herpes is another STD that is caused by the herpes simplex virus, HSV. Herpes is a viral infection that affects both men and women. It is usually spread through skin-to-skin contact with an infected partner during vaginal, anal, or oral sex. The symptoms of herpes may include painful blisters or sores on the genitals, anus, or mouth. These blisters or sores may be accompanied by fever, swollen lymph nodes, and flu-like symptoms. Once a person is infected with herpes, the virus remains in their body for life. There is no cure for herpes, but antiviral medications can help to manage the symptoms. Human papillomavirus, HPV, is a common STD that is caused by the human papillomavirus. HPV can cause genital warts, which may appear as small, fleshy bumps on the genitals or anus. Some types of HPV can also cause cancer, including cervical cancer in women and anal cancer in both men and women. HPV is usually spread through vaginal, anal, or oral sex with an infected partner. In many cases, people with HPV do not experience any symptoms at all. This can make it difficult to know when to seek medical attention. There is no cure for HPV, but vaccines are available that can help to prevent infection with certain types of the virus. Syphilis is an STD that is caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum. Syphilis is a bacterial infection that affects both men and women. It is usually spread through vaginal, anal, or oral sex with an infected partner. The symptoms of syphilis may include a painless sore ulcer on the genitals, anus, or mouth. This sore ulcer may heal on its own, but without treatment, syphilis can progress to more serious stages. That can lead to blindness, deafness, and even death. There are 4 stages of syphilis: primary, secondary, latent, and tertiary. In the primary stage, a person may develop a single, painless sore ulcer on the genitals, anus, or mouth. In the secondary stage, a person may develop a rash, flu-like symptoms, and swollen lymph nodes. The latent stage of syphilis is characterized by a lack of symptoms, but the infection is still present in the body. In the tertiary stage, syphilis can cause serious health complications, including blindness, deafness, heart disease, and dementia. Syphilis can be cured with antibiotics, but early detection and treatment are essential to prevent serious health complications. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is an STD that attacks the immune system. HIV is a viral infection that affects both men and women. It is usually spread through vaginal, anal, or oral sex with an infected partner, or through sharing needles or other injection drug equipment with an infected person. The symptoms of HIV may include fever, fatigue, swollen lymph nodes, and a rash. However, many people with HIV do not experience any symptoms at all. Without treatment, HIV can progress to AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which can lead to life-threatening infections and cancers. There is no cure for HIV, but antiretroviral therapy can help to manage the symptoms and prolong life. In addition to the symptoms mentioned above, there are other common symptoms that may indicate an STD, such as itching or burning around the genitals or anus, pain during bowel movements, and abnormal vaginal bleeding. It is important to seek medical attention if you experience any of these symptoms. Even if they are mild or seem to go away on their own, get tested. STDs can have serious health consequences if left untreated, including infertility, chronic pain, and even death. The best way to prevent STDs is to practice safe sex. This includes using condoms or other barrier methods during sexual activity, getting tested regularly for STDs, and limiting the number of sexual partners. Vaccines are also available for certain STDs, including HPV and hepatitis B. If you have been diagnosed with an STD, it is important to inform your sexual partners. They can then get tested and receive treatment if necessary. In conclusion, STDs are common infections that can have serious health consequences if left untreated. The symptoms of STDs can vary widely, and many people may not experience any symptoms at all. It is important to practice safe sex, get tested regularly for STDs. Seek medical attention if you experience any symptoms of an STD. Early detection and treatment are essential to prevent serious health complications. To protect the health of yourself and your sexual partners. We hope this helps you. Ellen and Michael Moriarty, 2RNs.